manner served as a front for some high-born person, the Earl of Oxford, the Countess of Pembroke, and so on. Some theories center around philosopher and essayist Sir Francis Bacon as the true author, ignoring the fact that Bacon's writing style is completely different from that of Shakespeare's. The most interesting theories surround the playwright Christopher Marlowe, who was killed in a tavern brawl in 1593. According to these theories, Marlowe used Shakespeare as a front after faking his own death to escape retribution for blasphemous writings or his career as a government spy. Well, that's the authorship question. I'll let you do your own research on that. We turn now to page 893. And notice our list of characters there. And we will begin in Act 1, Scene 1. We will do a guided study now of Julius Caesar. And I hope that you will enjoy your study of Shakespeare's classic, Julius Caesar. Thank you.